Drilling a hole in your wall to hang your mirror or a picture can be a dusty affair, which is why in this Dustbusters video, we're going to show you a quick and easy way that you can collect the dust before it hits your floor and your skirting boards. To do this trick, you'll need a piece of paper and you'll need either a masking tape or a multi-surface tape. We recommend that you use the multi-surface tape that comes with every purchase of a zip door because this allows for 14 days clean removal from any surface.
Take half an A4 piece of paper and fold the corners of it over. Open up your paper cone. Now stick the cone on the wall below where you want to drill.
Now let's start drilling.
Look at all the dust collected in the cone.
All you need to do now is pull the cone off the wall, fold it up carefully, and throw it in the bin. Our mirror is all hung up now, and look what a beauty it is. So have you ever done this trick before when you drill holes in your wall? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, click like, subscribe to our channel, and remember to visit us at dustguard.co.za for more tips and tricks on how you can contain dust in your next home renovation projects. Thanks for watching and see you next time.